All right, everybody. So I am pretty excited to do my unboxing for my Fossil, the limited edition, the Batman watch. It's the brand new movie, The Batman, and they came out with the limited edition Fossil watch. It was beautiful. I just got it delivered, and I'm actually going to open it and see what it looks like. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. There's the watch. Wow. That is beautiful. And it's pretty heavy. This base is nice. Look at the detail. That is beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. And I think, yeah, this comes out. There it is. Inside. The Batman. That is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely beautiful. This is almost like a hard plastic of some sort. The base is very nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's see. There's this drawer. It opens up. And you have two extra straps in here. We have this one. They're all red and black. And it's leather. Genuine leather backing. This one is nice. I like this one. And then there's this one, a little bit more with a compass on it. That's beautiful too. It's all black. It doesn't have the red like that one. Just the bands there. There you go, the Fossil. So notice this other one was leather. And this one's this. And the watch itself. Absolutely beautiful. It's all automatic. Take this off. Look at that. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. There's the back. It's the auto. I love this strap that it comes with. It's really nice and rugged. Tactical, seems like. It's really cool. And yeah, there we go. It's an automatic watch, so absolutely gorgeous. Love it. This is beautiful. Really happy with it. It has really nice weight to it. I actually like it. It's great. Yeah. Let's give it a try. All right. There we go. Beautiful watch. Absolutely love it. It's great. Feels good. Can't wait to try on the other straps. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. Or throw in some comments. Let me know what you think about this watch. I'm a huge Batman fan, and after enjoying this latest movie. It's like, I know I had to get my hands on this, and this is absolutely a piece of work. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful job by Fossil. It looks great. Alright guys, catch you on the next review.